all finished. Just took a little over a week messing around. I started off with a rather rusty blade on the top. The handle had pitted, so I've stripped that down, tidied it all up, restained it, and just put a simple paracord wrap top and bottom with a hanging thing there, hanging loop, whatever you want to call it. I think it's, for a first attempt, very happy with that, and shall look forward to getting out and using it. Okay, well cheers for watching guys, and we'll catch you again very soon. Bye now.